guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Zeus Longkayana. Today guys, I'm gonna make an audio quality comparison test between these three microphones that are both ideal for vlogging for small YouTubers like me and the rest of you out there who are still starting to grow your channel. But before we proceed to the test, I would just like to say thank you to those who have left their comments from my previous video, which is about the audio comparison between the Boya BY-878H condenser microphone and the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. If you missed the video guys, just click right here, or you can see the link in the description below. And of course, I made a simple thank you shout out for you guys, so let's roll it. Okay, that's it guys, and aside from that simple thank you shout out, I've also included your channel's link in the description below. So thank you so much guys for your support. And if this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the red button below and the bell notification icon so that you will always be updated. Right now guys, I have not plugged any of these microphones yet, and the sound that you are hearing from me right now is coming from Huawei Mate 20X and the Sony RX100 Mark V Ace. The reason why I did not plug any of these microphones yet is because I want you to see the difference later on when we start plugging in these three microphones one by one, of course. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, so the microphones that I'm going to test right now guys are the following. Of course, this one, the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone, and the other one is the Boya BY-A7H condenser microphone, and last but not the least is the BM800 condenser microphone. Let's get started. Now we will start first with the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. So let's plug this in. This is not the sound coming from the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. So let me clip this on my shirt. Okay, one more time. So this is the sound coming from Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. So what do you say guys? So please leave your comments below. Now let's change the microphone and then listen to the Boya BY-A7H condenser microphone. Okay, let me unplug first. This is not the sound coming from Boya BY-A7H condenser microphone guys. So what do you say about the sound quality? Okay, one more time. This is the sound coming from Boya BY-A7H condenser microphone. Testing mic 1, 2, 3. So please leave your comments below. This time we are going to test the BM800 condenser microphone. Hello mic test. This is not the sound coming from the BM800 condenser microphone. What do you say guys about the quality of BM800 condenser microphone compared to Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone and the Boya BY-A7H condenser microphone? So what do you say? Please leave your comments below. Okay, so what do you say guys? This is now the quality of BM800 condenser microphone, which is widely used nowadays by live streamers. For the bonus test guys, I'm gonna try whether BM800 condenser microphone, Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone, or the Boya BY-A7H condenser microphone are good also for recording music. Okay, so let's try it. What do you say, guys? Was it clear? Was the guitar sound clear? So please leave your comments below. And now let's try the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. Highway run. Okay, so what do you say, guys? Please leave your comment below. Okay, now let's try the Boya BY-A7H. Highway run into the midnight sun. We'll go round and round, you run my mind. Okay, so that's the sound coming from Boya BY-A7H condenser mic. What do you say, guys? Please leave your comments below. If you are already satisfied with the audio coming from your phone or from your camera that you use for vlogging, well, go for it. That's all for our test, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. And if this is your first time to visit my channel, please consider subscribing by clicking the red button below and the bell notification icon so that you will always be updated. Okay? See you next time.